The year is about to change. The calendar will turn, just like it always does. But before it turns, let me ask you something very simple. When the new year comes, what are you really waiting for? Is it a better day, a calmer mind, or just a little more peace than last year gave you? And let me ask one more gentle question. When you think about 2026 standing at your door, do you feel excitement or do you feel tired? Not tired in the body, but tired inside. Tired of trying, tired of hoping, tired of starting again and again. Many people think a new year is a loud thing. Fireworks, noise, plans, promises. But a new year is actually very quiet. It arrives the same way morning arrives, slowly, silently, without asking for permission. The question is not what the year will bring. The real question is how you will stand when it arrives. Right now you are here, breathing, listening. The past year is already walking away. Some days were kind to you, some days were heavy. You lost things, you learned things. You held on longer than you thought you could. Even if no one noticed, you did your best. A new year does not ask you to become someone new overnight. It does not demand perfection. It does not need big words or strong promises. It only asks one quiet thing from you. Will you arrive with awareness or will you rush in asleep? Most people enter a new year the same way they left the old one, with the same worries, the same habits, the same noise in the mind. They change the number on the calendar but carry the same weight on their shoulders. This is not wrong, it is human, but there is another way. Imagine standing at a door. You are holding many bags. Old anger, old regrets, old fears, old expectations. The door is narrow. You can try to push everything through, or you can pause and ask yourself what you really need to carry forward. Silence teaches us something important. Not everything deserves to go with you. Some thoughts were useful once, but not anymore. Some pains were real, but they do not need to become your future. Letting go is not forgetting. It is choosing peace over habit. As 2026 waits quietly, it does not judge you. It does not know your past mistakes. It does not compare you to others. It only offers space, empty space. What you place inside that space is your responsibility. You do not need to fix your whole life. You do not need a long list of goals. You do not need to become stronger, richer, or more impressive. Sometimes the most powerful beginning is simply to become more present. Notice your breath right now. It comes, it goes. It has been doing this your whole life without asking for reward. Learn from it. The breath does not rush into the next year. It only stays with this moment. If you walk into 2026 with even one moment of true attention, that moment can grow. A small flame can light a dark room. A small pause can change the direction of a whole year. The world will still be noisy. Problems will still appear. People will still disappoint you sometimes. But inside all of that, you can learn to stand a little softer, a little kinder, less afraid of silence. The quiet question at the door of 2026 is not asking what you will achieve. It is asking how gently you will live, how honestly you will listen to yourself, how patiently you will treat your own heart. Stand there for a moment. Do not rush. Feel the ground under your feet. Feel that you are alive, still breathing, still able to choose. This is already enough to begin. When you step forward, step lightly. The year will meet you the same way you meet it, with tension or with ease, with fear or with calm curiosity. The door is open. Nothing is forcing you. The question remains quiet, waiting for your answer. When the year begins, do one simple thing. Just one. Not many, not heavy, not something that needs strong will. Do this one thing quietly, again and again. Learn to notice what you are holding too tightly. Every day you hold many things without knowing. You hold expectations about people. You hold ideas about how the day should go. You hold fear about tomorrow. You hold old stories about yourself. These things sit in the mind like clenched fists. Slowly, they make you tired. Think of how you hold a cup of tea. If you hold it gently, you can feel the warmth. If you grip it too hard, your hand hurts. Life is the same. Most suffering comes not from what happens, but from how tightly we hold it. In the new year, practice loosening your grip. When someone speaks to you in a way you don't like, notice how fast the mind tightens. The chest becomes hard. The breath becomes short. Words rise ready to defend. In that moment, do not fix the situation. Just notice the tightening. That noticing is already a small freedom. When plans change and the day does not go your way, watch the mind rush to complain. This should not happen. Why now? Instead of arguing with the moment, feel your feet on the ground. Feel the breath move. Let the moment be imperfect. This does not mean you become weak. It means you become clear. Notice how often fear speaks in a quiet voice. Fear of being left out. Fear of failing again. Fear of not being enough. Fear often pretends to protect you, but most of the time it only keeps you small. When fear appears, do not push it away. Sit with it like you would sit with a child who is crying. Calmly, patiently, without judgment. Many people run from their inner struggle. They stay busy. They fill time with noise. They scroll, talk, plan, worry, but the struggle waits. It always waits. In this new year, do not run. Turn toward yourself gently. When you wash your face in the morning, look at yourself without criticism. Just see, this face has lived many days. It has carried joy and pain. Offer it kindness. This is not a big spiritual act. It is a human one. When you eat, notice if you are rushing. Slow down one bite. Taste it fully. Life is not asking you to escape to somewhere else. It is asking you to arrive here. Attachment often hides in small places. Wanting things to stay the same. Wanting people to behave the way you imagine. Wanting praise. Wanting certainty. Each want adds a little weight to the heart. You don't need to throw these away, just see them clearly. Awareness is not loud. It does not announce itself. It is like a lamp left on in a quiet room. It does not chase darkness. It simply allows you to see. When emotions rise, let them rise. When they fall, let them fall. You are not the emotion. You are the one who notices it. This remembering can change how you walk through the year. Some days you will forget. You will react. You will hold tightly again. That is okay. The practice is not about never failing. It is about returning. Again and again. Like coming back to the breath. If you do this one thing in 2026, notice where you are gripping and soften when you can. You will suffer less even when life is hard. Peace does not come from controlling the world. It comes from understanding your own heart. Sit with this. Let it settle slowly. There is nothing more you need to add right now. As the days move forward, there is another gentle shift you can allow to happen inside you. It is not something new to learn. It is something you already know, but often forget. It is the courage to be honest with yourself in small, quiet moments. Not the kind of honesty that hurts, the kind that heals. Many times when something feels wrong inside, we turn away. We say, it's nothing. We distract ourselves. We smile when the heart feels heavy. We stay strong when the body is asking to rest. Over time, this creates a distance between you and yourself. In this new year, begin to close that distance. When you feel sad, let yourself admit it. Just inside. No need to explain to anyone. No need to justify it. Sadness does not mean something is broken. It means something inside you is alive and responding. When you feel tired, do not call yourself lazy. Sit with the tiredness for a moment. Feel where it lives in the body, the shoulders, the eyes, the breath. Tiredness is often the body asking for kindness, not pressure. There will be moments when the mind feels confused, thoughts moving in circles, questions without answers. Let that be okay. Clarity does not come from forcing the mind to be quiet. It comes when you stop fighting the confusion. Imagine muddy water in a glass. If you keep shaking it, it stays cloudy. If you place it down and wait, slowly the water becomes clear. Your mind is the same. You do not need to solve everything you feel. You only need to stay close to it. Some days you will wake up with no clear reason to feel heavy. Do not search for reasons. Just acknowledge the weight. Say softly inside, "This is how today feels." That simple acceptance can make the weight lighter. Often we are hardest on ourselves when we think no one is watching. The inner voice becomes sharp. "You should be better by now. Others are moving ahead. Why are you still like this?" In this year, when you hear that voice, pause. Do not argue with it. Do not obey it. Just notice it. That voice learned to speak long ago. It learned from fear, from comparison, from pain. It thinks it is helping you survive. Thank it quietly, and then return to your breath. Breathing does not judge you. Breathing does not rush you. Breathing stays. Let yourself have moments of stillness, even if they are very short. Standing at a window, sitting before sleep, waiting for water to boil. In these moments, do nothing extra. Just be there. Peace often enters through ordinary doors. As you move through your days, pay attention to how you speak to others when you are tired or stressed. Not to blame yourself, only to see. Harsh words often come from hidden pain. When you see this, compassion grows naturally. First for yourself, then for others. You may notice a softening, less urgency, less need to prove, less noise inside. Do not hold on to this. Let it come and go. Peace is not something to capture. It is something you pass through, again and again. There will be days when you feel you are going backward, old habits returning, old reactions appearing. This does not erase your growth. It only shows that growth is not a straight line. Even trees sway in the wind. Each time you notice yourself, even after reacting, something important has already happened. Awareness has returned. That return is the real change. In this year, trust small moments. A calm breath before speaking. A pause before reacting. A quiet honesty with yourself at night. These moments shape the heart more than big promises ever could. You are not late. You are not behind. You are here. Let that be enough for now. As the year opens itself to you, may you walk into it without hurry. There is no need to run ahead. There is no need to carry every answer. Life will meet you step by step, just as it always has. Some mornings will feel light, some will feel heavy. Let both be welcome. The heart does not need every day to shine. Even cloudy days feed the earth. When you feel lost, remember this quietly. You are still held by the ground beneath your feet. You are still carried by the breath moving through you. Nothing essential has left you. May you learn to rest without guilt. May you learn to pause without fear. May you learn that softness is not weakness. If the world feels loud, return to what is simple. A cup of water, a slow breath, the sound of your own footsteps. These small things have been waiting for you all along. When mistakes happen, let them pass through you like weather. Do not build a home inside them. Learn, bow gently, continue walking. If loneliness visits you, sit beside it. Do not push it away. Loneliness often carries a quiet message. It wants you to come closer to yourself. May you speak fewer harsh words to your own heart. It has been listening for a long time. It deserves rest. As days turn into months, may you notice moments you once missed. The warmth of sunlight on the skin, the stillness before sleep, the peace that appears when you stop asking for more. Nothing needs to be forced. Nothing needs to be proven. You are already enough to begin this year. Walk slowly. Live honestly. Let life unfold. And when the noise fades, even for a moment, may you recognize the quiet presence that has always been with you.